Video is to learn about the ways to save the ML model. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll use Pickle rather than Joblib, third one MDF5, fourth one JSON or YAML, and fifth one Open Network ONNX. Okay, so let's start from Pickle. So and Pickle will import Pickle, and then there is a model, then you can directly save it using with open and then model. Write it here the type of the file. So we will be saving it in a binary. Okay, and then I saved it directly using the pickle and model and then file name. So to load that same model, you can use pickle.load to load the model. Okay, another one that we have it is a joblib. So simple, when you have the model, directly use joblib.save to save the model, and to load it, joblib.load to load the model. Okay. Another one that we have it here is MDF5, right? So on a MDF5, directly when you have the model on a Keras or a TensorFlow, directly uh, use that like model dot save to save the model in H5 or HDF5. Okay, to load it, directly use the load function that is there in a Keras or in TensorFlow. So it's there inside models. So Keras.models import load models to load the models. Okay, another one that we have it here is JSON. So directly convert your model to JSON. That's what we did. We wrote it directly to the JSON file. Okay, and same way you can load it also, as you can see here. So we are creating the file, and after that model from JSON, and we load it. Okay, so this is the way how we can use JSON also to save the model and or a YAML. Okay, another one that we have it here is ONNX. Okay, and here you can see my model is an sklearn. That's why I'm using skl to ONX. Okay, so once I have my model over here, then you can directly use this convert sklearn and give your model some initial details over there, and you can directly write it to a file as I'm doing it with using open. Okay, and this is the way how you can again interact or interface the station once you can load it. So those are the ways how in which you can save or load the models. Okay, I hope you liked it, and subscribe our channel to know about more towards AI. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.